Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer, Lala Baby. Nagpapakilala, isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Okay, yan. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng reading, okay? Starting May 6, okay? May 6 to May 13. Okay, yan. So, let's see the possible energy surrounding you. Okay? Yan. So, narito ang tinatawag the magician. Okay? What you are creating, what you are attracting, manifesting. Diba? Okay? You are manifesting, creating transformation. Okay? Or maybe a rebirth. Diba? Yan. Whatever it is. Diba? So, narito ang tinatawag na the chariot. Okay? So, it's all about your tinatawag na maybe transformation in your place, house, surroundings, environment. Okay? Kasi narito, you are creating, okay, something, okay? Yan. About your, maybe, in your house, in your home, diba? Okay? Or maybe a relationship, marriage relationship, diba? Yan. So, yun ang nakikita ko, ha? Okay. So, narito ang tinatawag na, kayo, narito ang your strength, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you're under control, di ba? Yan, no? Dito. Yan. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang puso mo, hawak mo ang damdamin mo, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito, it's like you are experiencing something and you want to change it, okay? You want to change your emotion, di ba? What you are experiencing, what you are feeling, di ba? Yan. Dito, ha? So, let's see, ha? So, for some of you here, it's all about maybe you want to open a business, you want to open a platform, di ba? Whatever is this, di ba? So, maaring for some of you here, may mga bubuhayin kayo from the past, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, this is what you want, okay? Yan. And ito yung tinatawag, it's about your confidence. Yan, ha? So, let's see your personal energy. You're praying. Pisces, you are praying. Okay? It's like you're praying to God. Okay? Whatever is this, you are manifesting, creating. Di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, magkaroon sana ito ng tinatawag stability. Di ba? Magkaroon ito ng tinatawag solid foundation. Di ba? So, kumbaga dito, nakikita, you want a peace of mind, di ba? For some of you here, it's tinatawag, pagod na kayo sa inyong paglalakbay, di ba? You want a peace of mind, a peace of body, a piece of tinatawag na yan, ha? Okay? Whatever is this, okay? You are fighting for something. Maybe you are fighting for peace, quiet surrounding, peaceful mind, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na nakadikit, nakasemento, okay? Yan, nakasemento ang tinatawag the Ace of Swords. Yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na, okay, let's see, what is that, ha? Okay. So, for some of you here, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na hindi mangyari, okay? Yan. Kung ano man itong hindi mangyari, ha? Yan. Kumbaga dito, yung tinatawag, there is no instant solution or solving, okay? Walang instant na solusyon para din okay? Kasi nakadikit, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag na ano na siya, it's like forever, okay? Nakadikit na doon, mahirap na alisin. Maybe the mentality, kasi kaninong mentality, di ba? Yan. Hindi na pwedeng baguhin ang mentality ng isang tao. Something like that. Maybe you are dealing with this person, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na very, very stubborn. Okay? Very, very stubborn. Ayaw niya ng pagbabago. Okay? And dito nakikita, pagod na kayo. And you want, it's like tinatawag, you want to escape. You want to change the environment. You want to change the, kumbaga dito. Okay? So, naririto, tinatawag na, ang nakikita ko dito, you and it's about your what you are showing, okay? Showing them, 'di ba? Na sana ito is magmaterialize, 'di ba? Yan. Kasi narito ang tinatawag na mentality, okay? Ayaw magbago ang mentality ng taong ito. Kahit anong gawin mo, 'di ba? It's like kahit anong gawin mo turo, gawin mo nga explanation, this person is ayaw niyang umunlad, 'di ba? So nakikita dito you are dealing. Ito ang iyong tinatawag na paghihirap, 'di ba? Personal. Yan, your personal na tinatawag na sentiments, problema, kung kanino man ito, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, ayaw niya ng pag-unlad. Ikaw is, I don't know, it's like naka-stick ka, okay, dito sa tao na ito. Okay? So, let's see your social energy. So, naririto, ha? Okay. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you want freedom. Okay? So, kung ano man ito, ha? It's like you are dealing because this is the devil. Okay? Yan. You are the dealing. Ibig sabihin nito, gusto mong makawala. Yan, ha? Gusto mong it's like nasa ano kanya, di ba? Dito, kontrolado ka ng taong ito, 'di ba? Kontrolado kayo. So kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na pati emotions mo, 'di ba, naaapektuhan. Yan. So ibig sabihin nito gusto mong makawala, 'di ba? Yan. Para naman kasi parang stagnant ka, 'di ba? Hindi ka makalipad, hindi ka makaalis, 'di ba? Because of this person's mentality. So let's see the tinatawag na ano ito? Karmic energy. Okay? Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yan, dito nakikita ang tinatawag mga the Mars. Okay? So, it's like may mga, kung sino itong mga darating. Diba? Yan, kita nyo. It's like meron ditong mga tao, maybe family, kung sino man yan, ha? Okay? Mga watch out. Dahil itong taong ito, yung tinatawag na masyado siyang, it's like nagpipinpoint, di ba, naninisi. Yan, Hindi, ito'y kung magsalita is tinatawag na, basta't makapagsalita, makapagmura, di ba? Hindi na niya iniisip yung kanya sinasabi. Di ba? Yan, kumbaga dito, ina-expose. Okay? Kung kanino man ito, kasi narito ang tinatawag the Mars, di ba? Exposing this person, sa halimbawa natin, personality, attitude, di ba? Ayan, kumbaga nakikita dito, exposing, di ba? Ang pagkatao ng tao na ito. Kasi narito ang the swords is nakadikit, ha? So, whatever is this, it's like tinatawag uttering, okay? It's like tinatawag na ito na ang time, maaring this is the right time to say, di ba? It's like ilabas na, di ba? Ang kanya saloobin, kung siya man is may hatred, kumbaga dito. Yan, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na dinidiin, okay? Idinidiin. Yan, ha? Ang taong ito. Yan, ha? So, that's the karmic energy for you na nakita ko.